How to prepare Dalgona coffee at home. Simple recipe. Whipped coffee designed to brew the internet's beloved coffee in your home kitchen? I mean, that puffy, creamy cafe-style drink? Yes, Dalgona coffee. Today, I'm going to show you how to brew Dalgona coffee at home with just 3 ingredients and in less than 5 minutes. No special machines, no barista experience, simply good old whip magic. Let's get started. Hey coffee lovers, welcome back to the channel that brings trendy drinks and easy recipes straight to your screen. If you're into DIY coffee, viral food trends, or just love a good caffeine hit, make sure to like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell. Today, we're making the iconic and oh so delicious Dalgona coffee recipe that's still stealing hearts in 2025. Below is how to prepare whipped coffee the right way with ingredients you already have at home. Step 1. What you'll need. To have the best homemade Dalgona coffee, you need 2 tablespoons of instant coffee, 2 spoons of sugar, 2 spoons of hot water, a glass of cold milk or plant-based milk like oat milk or almond milk, and ice cubes, optional, for that refreshing finish. Step 2. Whip it good. Add the instant coffee, sugar, and hot water to a medium-sized bowl. Now, the fun part, whip it. You may use a hand whisk, which takes about 8 to 10 minutes, an electric mixer for 2 to 3 minutes, or a milk frother for a quick and easy option. You want it to become light, fluffy, and hold stiff peaks, like a dessert topping. This is what gives Dalgona coffee that signature cloud-like look. Step 3. Assemble the drink. Grab a tall glass, fill it halfway with your milk of choice and ice, optional, then gently spoon your whipped coffee mixture on top. Voila! You've just made your very own Dalgona coffee at home. Step 4. How to drink it. Mix the layers together or let it sit with the foam floating on top for presentation. Stir it up if you want creamy coffee, milkshake-like consistency. This is the ultimate morning coffee, afternoon pick-me-up, or even cute addition to your brunch menu. Bonus tips for next-level Dalgona coffee. Try vanilla extract, cocoa powder, or cinnamon for a flavor twist. Make it vegan by using plant milk and coconut sugar. Hot one instead? Just top hot milk with whipped coffee instead, and you're good to go. Your go-to guide on how to make Dalgona coffee at home. Simple, delicious, and totally photo-friendly. If you like this easy coffee recipe, don't forget to give that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments below how your whipped coffee tasted or if you experimented and added your own twist. For more viral drinks, popular recipes, and cafe-style concoctions, watch right here each week. Until next time, cheers! Hungry for Dalgona coffee? Discover how to make whipped coffee at home with this simple Dalgona coffee recipe that requires only 3 ingredients. This TikTok sensation coffee craze is the best way to begin your day with a rich, cafe-quality beverage, and it only takes 5 minutes. Like and subscribe for more popular drinks, coffee recipes, and viral food hacks.